I honestly just haven't talked about it or shared these spaces because I didn't want to give you whiplash. I feel like I've had like the outside of our house that I've been working on, I've had the flip that I've been working on, and then I've also been doing this. But like I said, I didn't want to share it with you guys until it was close to being ready because it was a long process and I didn't want to give you whiplash. So I will show you the room, what it looked like before, what my mood boards were, what all we've done. I will share all of that with you tonight or tomorrow. But we are now at the point in the project where we need to put it together, furniture and decorate it, which is always like the best part. So I am working on fixing some chairs or salvaging some chairs. So you can see this chair. It's got a nice stain right here. This is bleached linen, and when you clean bleached linen the wrong way, it can bleed like this. And I said when you clean bleached linen the wrong way, but I don't even know if there's a right way to clean bleached linen. So if you do know, let me know. But it does this where it bleeds. So like if you get a water spot on this chair, it creates like a ring like this, where you can see like there's this huge ring right here, or there's like, I mean, look at this discoloration. So I am going to try to use some OxyClean on it and some bleach and see if I can get that out. And then if not, I have another idea because these are gonna look so good in the room. So hopefully I can save them. So here we are after some OxyClean and bleach. Honestly, it looks like 1,000 times better. You can kind of see like right here, there is a little bit of a stain still. Not terrible, but a light stain. I will say the bleach took kind of that peppered look that it used to have in it out, but I'm okay with it. So tomorrow I am gonna try some fabric paint on it to see if we can get rid of this stain once and for all. I've never tried fabric paint, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, so here we are in the daylight. This is what I was kind of showing last night. So you can still see it, but it's not that bad. So I'm going to use some fabric paint today. I got this from Amazon and the reviews were kind of mixed. So I'm interested to see how this works. This is just a spray bottle that I filled with water. You're supposed to damp the fabric ahead of time and then paint it on with a brush, or you could spray it on. I'm going to paint. So let's see how this works. Okay, so that's one coat and it's still drying. You can like kind of see it right here, but it definitely faded it a little bit. I didn't do the back of the chair. I kind of want to see if there's a big color difference between the two. And if there is, I'm going to do the back of the chair. But if you can't tell, then I may just leave it because I would hate to have to paint the whole chair if I don't have to. So we're going to let that dry and see what this stain looks like in about 2 hours. The chairs turned out awesome. That paint actually worked. I think I would recommend it. I don't know if I would recommend it if you had like a charcoal gray chair and you were trying to get it to be white. I think that's like a stretch. But I do think if you are starting with a lighter color, so let's say it's a white chair and you want it to be green, totally doable. So check it out if you're interested in something like that, or you need a chair that needs saving. I'll give you the link for that. But that all being said, chairs look awesome. I took them over to our house the other day. We're just waiting for a rug to come in and it comes in on Wednesday. So I'm hoping Thursday or Friday, I'll have a reveal for that. So stay tuned.